Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then welcome. And if you are already a subscriber to my channel, or if you have seen some of my videos, then welcome back again. I'm really sorry. First of all, I have to apologize to you guys for not being active at all. I have been gone like for ages, and I know it's been a really long time, but I was really going through a lot of mental stuff, so I really was depressed. I'm really ashamed for not being active at all, and I really would like to apologize to you guys, and I'm sure that you don't want to lose me either. I don't want to lose you guys, so I am back with some new contents, and I hope that you guys will love me and support me again. But yeah, I do have some pretty good contents for you guys, so I will definitely make it up to you guys, don't worry at all. So yeah, that was it for the intro. I'm really sorry if I'm looking a mess, but I didn't have the time to get ready because I'm on my periods right now. I didn't want to get all in, like, all ready for a video. I'm stammering, I don't know why, because probably it's been a long time and I didn't find the courage to face you guys, so probably that's why this thing is happening. But anyways, nonetheless, I guess we should start the video. So yeah, I hope you know the drill. So if you're new to this channel, you make sure that you subscribe and help me grow. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family and everyone. And please keep supporting me. I'm sorry for this delay, but I hope you guys will give me as much love as you did before. And yeah, let's just get into the video quickly. Video is gonna be a haul video from Street Style Store. Yes, well, I actually saw a website, their website. I'm not sure if they have any app or not, but I did find a website called Street Style Store. So I bought few items from their website, and I'll show you the links and everything in the description box. So this is how it came. Not obviously like this. Well, I have already opened it. So yeah, that's the packaging, very normal. And inside it, there are the products. I didn't buy a lot of products because I didn't want to spend too much money on some website that I really don't know about or didn't have any idea about. So I had bought 3 items from the website, and 3 of them were from the top section. Well, they were having their offer, like you will get 3 pieces of tops for rupees 1199, which is like under 1200. Alright, so the first product that I got from Street Style Store, well, the packaging are like this. I'm not very impressed with the packaging because they look really cheap. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, that's how the packaging looks like. And the first top is this maroon color top. So this is how the top looks like. So the first thing I noticed about these products are the quality. Well, I'm not very happy with the quality because they are polyester stuff, and I cannot ever wear these kind of tops like in the summer. And I got these tops only because of summer. Like, my sole purpose of buying these tops were that I will style them in summers, but these are polyester stuff. Like, I cannot, no way. I probably will wear them in the winter, or maybe in the October or November season, when the weather is quite chilled but not so chilled and not so summery. It's fine. I mean, the weather will be perfect for these kind of tops, but not for summer at all. Only issue were the sleeves. Like here, the sleeves kept falling from my shoulder, which is a big problem, I guess. I don't know if I can get it altered or not. Yeah, this is the first top and I got it in the size medium and it fits me like a glove. Seriously, it fits me so perfectly. The only issue was the quality and the sleeves. Other than that, I think I really love this top. I can definitely see myself wearing these tops in the winter autumn season, like in the October. Again very excited about was this one. The packaging looks really disastrous, but it's my cat's doing. My cats are equally interested in my tops, so they did this. This is how the product looks like. This looks really big on me, and it was actually very big on me, although I bought it in the size medium, but it was pretty big on the back side, on this side. But yeah, this is how the product looks like. The sleeves are full sleeves with details in here, and again the sleeves are puffed sleeves, which I really like. I mean, they are kind of in the trend right now, so I followed the trend and I bought it. Anyways, the print is pretty good. It's pretty floral print, and who doesn't like floral prints anyway? So there is some more detailing going on in the front. So there is a string like this, which you can style in different ways. Like you can wear it like this, or maybe you can totally wear it like this. But yeah, the top is pretty cute. Again, the fabric is polyester.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, babe.
Last and the third top is this one, a white and black polka top. So this actually I was the most excited about because of the neckline. It has a sweetheart neckline, which I really like so much. Like, look at this. But the neckline was pretty weird. Like, it was not sweetheart neckline, it was not a V neckline. I don't know what I can call it, but I'll show you in the try on section in a bit. But look at this. You have to like tie this portion these you have to tie like this, and yeah, that's how it showed on the website, by the way. And again, the sleeves are puffy sleeves. I don't know why I bought so many puffed up sleeves, but I think I went with the flow and I bought these things. I am sweating like a pig, oh my god. Please don't mind that. So it doesn't have chain in the back, in the front. It has chain in the side, which makes it even more convenient to wear, because otherwise you cannot wear it. I literally was not being able to wear it because I didn't see the side chain. I was wearing it like this only and it was not fitting me. I was really suffering. You can also wear it as a blouse with your sari, so I think it really will look nice. All the tops you can carry with your sari and carry as a blouse. So yeah, that's the third and the last product that I got from Street Style store. I think I'm pretty happy with overall products, and I will recommend it to you guys if you have that if you don't have any problem with these kind of material, then please go for it, because I mean these products you will get on Myntra or H&M for like 1200, 1300 and even more. So I think 400 for this is a steal, so you must get it for yourself if you don't have any problem with the material or the polyester stuff. I personally do have problems with polyester stuff. I do have a sensitive skin, so I do get rashes, and my skin really tends to burn if I wear them in summer. So I probably wouldn't buy these kind of products for summer, but I'll probably wear them in winters. And if you don't have any problem like that, you can definitely go ahead and check their website out. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up and give me a lot of love and support. Please, I need it right now. I promise to you guys I'll be very, very, very regular. So yeah, bye.